Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Monet.
And today we're here with PrettyLittleThing. I'm going to be trying out the Ordinary products.
We've never used the products before, but an expert's given us their best advice, so we're really excited to try them out.
Yes, we've got a step-by-step routine here for each product, and we're going to try them all out. We're going to let you guys know what we think about them, and give you all the ins and outs.
So today's routine that we're doing is for any textural irregularities.
So that's like any unwanted pores or bumps on your skin, just an overall uneven looking texture. And we're starting with the AM portion of our routine.
Really simple.
Yes, this one's really easy.
One product.
Yes. So the first product is the azelaic acid suspension, which is 10%. So this one says, apply to face in the AM or PM to improve visible brightness and appearance of skin texture. So I'm just going in with a portion this big.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting that.
No, I wasn't.
That's really moisturising.
Yeah, it hasn't left like a residue over the top. Do you not think? I feel like it's gone in straight away.
Yeah, this is really nourishing. Oh my god, you look
really
so
nice.
fresh and like
Yeah,
ready for the day.
do.
Okay, so now we're going to get into the nighttime routine for textural irregularities.
Yes.
So we are going to start with the glycolic acid toning solution.
So this is something that you would use in the evening, so taking your makeup off.
It gets rid of any like bacteria from the day, because when you're
Yeah.
out, like pollution.
Oh my god, I know.
Feels good so far. Feels really refreshing.
I love the smell of this.
Yeah, it's got like a fresh cucumbery sort of smell.
Yeah, it smells really fresh.
And I can actually see on the cotton pad like any
my
excess
God,
dirt.
yeah.
Wow.
My face does feel really clean.
Yeah, and I feel like it does get rid of any dullness, which is nice.
Definitely.
Okay, should we move on to step 2?
So step 2 is the Granactive retinoid, and this is 2% in squalane. So it just says to apply a couple of drops to the face. So I'm just gonna go in and do that.
Yeah, and on the box it says that as well as getting rid of any textural irregularities, it also stops any signs of aging. How's that going?
Yeah, really
Feeling
nice. Feels really, really smooth on my skin. I'm really liking this. It's got a really nice glow to it also. I feel like you don't need very much product there. I put on 2 drops and I felt it was definitely enough. So I also feel like I'm hearing about retinoids so much at the moment.
Yeah, me too. I feel like it's a big skincare thing at the moment.
Definitely. And it's really good for increasing the collagen in your skin, which obviously is going to help with anti-aging, which I'm all about.
Oh, that makes sense then.
Yeah,
that's why
definitely.
okay.
So that was the end of the PM part of the skincare routine. There's just one other product we want to share with you guys because we are obsessed. Like, this is so cool.
Yeah.
This product though, you can only use up to twice a week.
So this is an AHA BHA peeling solution. 10-minute exfoliating facial. So you wouldn't do this daily as you would with the other products. It's just like a once in a while.
Yeah, I feel like this one's a lot more intense, isn't it?
Yeah.
So any of that unwanted texture is just gonna go.
So
Let's do it. Right guys, you're literally gonna die over this. Look at the colour of it, it literally looks like Halloween. Right, I'm gonna go in with a couple blobs. I know, look at it. I'm gonna start off with less, and if I need to go in with more, I will. So this mask is something you'll put all over your face and you'll leave it on for 10 minutes. That's what the Ordinary advise. Feels good though.
Wow,
Feels like it's doing something. It's like going to work already.
Oh, does it? I love that because I feel like with some masks, it doesn't feel like it's actually doing anything.
Definitely not. I literally love how this looks. I think it looks so cool, and I feel like I'm excited to take it off and see my results.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Let me rub that in. Wow.
Oh my God, you look crazy, but I love it.
Do I?
Yeah, I love it.
Wow. Okay, so we left that on for 10 minutes. We've taken it off now, and I don't know about you, but my skin is feeling really refreshed.
Yeah,
what do you
look
think?
so refreshed. My skin feels great. Honestly, I feel like I've just got a glow. I've got no product on my face right now, and I feel like I genuinely have a really good glow.
Yeah, and I feel like I love it because you can tell that the face mask is very effective.
Definitely.
Which is the whole point. So.
Yeah, I think it's really nice and really easy to do, and the results are amazing. I do recommend maybe doing like a patch test.
Yeah, and I think because the products are so affordable, order what you want, do a patch test, try different things and see if it works for you.
Okay, so that's it from us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed getting to see some of the Ordinary products. I know we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and make sure you stay tuned and have a look for our other skincare routines.
See you later, guys.
Bye.